A note on a bathroom floor at a local high school leads to that school being locked down for safety. The Oxford Police Department was notified this morning at nearly 10 a.m. by Oxford High School administration of an anonymously handwritten note stating there would be a shooting today. The Oxford Police Department sent officers to the high school to assist the school student services coordinator in the search of the school along with K-9 units. The school was cleared before noon and the note was taken to Oxford's forensics unit for examination.
To ensure our students' safety, we felt it was necessary to have a lockdown of the Oxford High School campus. We did so. The Oxford Police Department came and cleared a building, made sure that everything was safe, and our students went back to class and resumed a normal school day. We can't say enough how much we appreciate the Oxford Police Department and their work every day to keep all our students and our citizens safe in the city of Oxford.
No evidence of a threat was discovered. Additional police personnel were on the scene for the rest of the day.